What if I told you this living, breathing shape is just a div with a border radius? No SVG, no canvas, no JavaScript, just CSS doing something it was never supposed to do this well. This is border radius, 50%. A circle. Everyone knows this, but border radius doesn't have to be uniform. It can take 8 separate values. 4 for each corner, split into horizontal and vertical radius. When you write it like this, the slash splits horizontal from vertical. So each corner becomes an ellipse, not a circle. And when all 4 corners are different ellipses, you stop getting a circle and start getting an organic shape. Now animate between 2 different sets of values. CSS smoothly interpolates every single value. The result? A shape that morphs, that breathes, that feels alive. Want it to feel even more organic? Add a second animation on a slight offset, slowly rotating the shape while it morphs. 2 animations, 1 element, 0 JavaScript, 1 div, a gradient, 8 numbers in a border radius. That's it. That's the whole trick. Episode 02. We build a forced glass card using backdrop filter and box shadow together. Blurs, transparency, depth, 1 component, no images. Subscribe and I'll see you there.